All right, good morning, traders. It is January 14th, another beautiful day here in Tokyo. So we'll try to make some more money tonight. We got a bunch of stuff on the watch list here for the gap trades. I also got some premium trades and premium plus trades all lined up. So we'll see how this morning shapes up. Kind of got a lot of stuff to look at. There's the bell. So yeah, we'll see what comes up, and then we'll be back and bring trades to you. I just tripped here. It looks like 479 to 492, so about 15 cents, so 330 shares are what we're looking at. Market buy. All right, we're getting, oh, not enough buying power. Okay. We're probably missing this move, so we're probably not going to get in. All right, I got to get in at the right prices, or I don't trade it. So had I used my calculator, I would have known how much buying power to go with, and I could have got in, and we would have been fine. So I didn't use my calculator, so I didn't have the right buying power. All right, so we're in. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop in right now. Would have been a winner, but I couldn't trade either of those because I was stuck in this one. Didn't have the buying power to have more than one trade at a time. Okay, cool. So we're out. So I just wanted to make sure we did get out. So 72 bucks is a loss so far. All right, so it looks like we're going to jump long here with 1,000 shares. New candle opens. Volume's just so light. It's opening lower. What's the spread? Yeah, okay. All right, we're going to get in. Okay. So now we're in PGNX right here for 1,000 shares. Okay, new candle opens and we're in. And we're in. Okay, we got our thing in. So okay, so now we're going to mark it up and then we'll put our exact proper order in. All right, so for fun, I just wanted to show you this. So I jumped out of this trade somewhere around here because I wasn't supposed to be in it in the first place. And now look at that. I would have hit my target, would have picked up like 50 bucks or more. Would have been a sweet little trade. And we're just kind of hanging out. We're in profit, but we're just hanging out. All right, well, hopefully this one becomes a winner for us, and then it'll work out great. But yeah, it's just one of those nights, it looks like. And not to mention, my morning start at 5 a.m. and it is now 12. Nope, it's 1:30 here now, and I started at 5 a.m. because I got woken up by an earthquake and couldn't go back to sleep. So probably shouldn't be trading when you've been awake for like 22 hours or whatever, or 21 hours, but we are. So hopefully this will make a winner for us, maybe pick up one or two more trades, and then call it a night. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. All right, so since we've made this most of the way to our target, we're going to move our stop to break even now. So, and then we can move it again. So 513. So actually go 514. All right, gonna cancel this order. And then we're gonna go ahead and sell. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's right. Yep. Okay. So now we're pretty much break even, 1 penny above our entry. So we won't take a loss on this other than commissions. Yeah, and we'll see where this thing goes. All right, be back. All right, so we're about to get stopped out here of this trade too. Almost made it to our target. It may bounce from here. I mean, this may become the new support, and it may bounce, but I'll be out. All right, cool. Get it for a discount, maybe. No? Yes. All right, cool. I think. No, we're in the wrong stock. Okay, let's sell that. I did it again. So we jumped in with 160 here. 509. Man. Yep, that's why I shouldn't trade when you haven't slept. All right, we're going to get long here. 160. Market. Buy. Okay, then we're going to do our set it and forget it. 451. Oh, let's draw this real quick. All right, APAH. 510. 507. I'm actually going to go ahead and add to this position 340 shares. 340. Market. Buy. All right, so we have 500. Oh, I'm in the wrong stock again. I don't know if I can add now. How much buying power do I have? Yeah, we're okay. Alright, so yeah, I already missed part of that move. That would have been sweet. 340. Market. Buy. Alright, so now I have 500 shares of this. Let's go ahead and manage it, and then we'll take care of that other one. Alright, so stop. So we got our orders in, and then we'll see what happens with this fumble. Do I get lucky and make some money on this fumble, or does this end up hurting pretty bad? We shall see at the end of this day. Alright, so 433, and then we'll be out. Just going to put a stop. Market. 4.33. Alright, so I just wanted to check in here. So far we're getting a little bit lucky. Just everything going bad. And I've been up for about 24 hours now. Almost. A couple more hours, 23 hours. So shouldn't even be trading. But here we are. So fortunately this one is slowly working its way back up. And we're in the green on here. So we'll see what happens. I'm still in these. So, you know, I kind of want to just get out and go to bed. But there was a lot of stuff saying not to even buy them, and I bought them anyway. And then I fumbled my order entries, and like, yeah, just complete disaster, right? So now if I make a bunch of money on these things, I get rewarded for bad behavior. And then next time something comes up like this, it's tempting to, well, you know, last time this will happen, maybe I should do it, and you start to have that conversation with yourself. So it just makes it that much harder to be disciplined when you've done the wrong thing and got rewarded for it. But either way, hope that I get rewarded for it, even though it's not a good thing. So if you get punished for it, then it makes you that much more disciplined later. So there's a benefit to being punished as well. So either way, but yeah, I hope today becomes a reward, and just have to remember not to do that again. All right, we'll be back if something happens. Okay, so we're going to close this day. It looks like I got to jump out of this here in the next 3 minutes because I have to close all positions by 3:50. So it looks like we'll finish the day down almost $200. So yeah, that's not great. Not that big a deal either, but we'll get back a couple days worth of trades. Unfortunately, that's what happens when you break the rules. You know, it costs money. So you got to follow the rules. The rules are there because over time you've realized that the numbers game will be in your favor if you follow these rules. So. Didn't follow the rules. The first rule I should have followed was don't trade when you're sleepy and you haven't slept in like 20 hours. So that was the first one. Made a lot of mistakes because of that. So today was expensive, but not a big deal. We're still in the green in this account, and we can recover this in literally a day or two. So not too crazy. All right, so I think we're gonna just wait and see what this last candle does. See if it gives us a little pop or a little drop. Either way, we'll give it an opportunity, and then we're going to go ahead and sell it. So we're going to get ready. Make sure we're in the right stock. Right, as I was doing wrong earlier. RTIX. Okay. Okay, so we're all out for a $270 loss today, plus commission to probably around $238 loss. So we're still green in the account, but we did get back a chunk of that for breaking the rules, and we'll just have to grow it right back following the rules. All right, we'll talk to you later.